Okay, my dear students, today in this video I am going to teach to the students of SEE who are waiting for SEE examination. I have taken one important question, long question of 5 marks from circle topic. Look at here, the question is derive the diameter form of the equation of circle. Derive the diameter form of the equation of circle. I mean, when 2 inch of diameter of circle is given, then to calculate the equation of circle, we use the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Such very formula how to derive, how to get. The question has asked how to derive. So look at here. Let here, this is a circle with diameter m and n. M and n is the diameter of circle. O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. Let coordinate of m is x1, y1. Coordinate of n is x2, y2. Coordinate of n is x2, y2. Coordinate of m is x1, y1. O is the center. Let R be any point of circle with coordinate x, y. I mean, in this very figure, it is the circle, its diameter is m, n, O is the center of circle, R is any point on circumference of circle. So solution, let O be the center of circle and mn is diameter. Mn is diameter with coordinates m x1, y1 and n x2, y2 are x, y is any point on circumference of circle. Look at here. O be the center of circle. I mean, O is the center of given circle. Mn is diameter with coordinates. M coordinate is x1, y1 and n coordinate is x2, y2. R x, y is any point on circumference of circle, and I have joined M, R and N and R. Join M, R and N and R. So here angle MRN, angle MRN is equal to 90 degree. Angle MRN is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because it stands on semicircle. It stands on semicircle. It stands on semicircle. Therefore, MR is perpendicular to NR. MR is perpendicular to NR since angle MRN is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to find the slope of MR. Slope of MR. Let this M1. Slope of MR. Let M1. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is y minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 is x minus x1. This is the slope of MR. In the similar way, slope of NR we have to find. Slope of NR. Let this M2. Slope of NR, let N2. M2. The slope of NR to find, again same slope formula, y2 minus y1. y2 is y minus y1 is y2, means y minus y2 by x minus x2. Slope formula, slope of NR, slope of MR. Here we got the slope of MR, M1, and slope of NR, M2. Slope of MR, M1 is what? Y minus Y1 by X minus X1. Slope of NR, M2 is what? Y minus Y2 by X minus X2. Since here M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Now M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Why? Why minus 1? Since MR is perpendicular to NR. This is the reason. Since MR is perpendicular to NR, means in perpendicular form slope, means when two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, then slope of first line into slope of second line is equal to minus 1. Means M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Now we put the value of M1. M1 value is y minus y1 by x minus x1 into M2 value is y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Now look at here, cross multiply. Of is y minus y1 into this is y minus y2 is equal to this minus that side will go. Then it will be minus x minus x1 into x minus x2. Y minus y1 into y minus y2. This x minus x1 and x minus x2. We bring that side, cross multiply. Then it is multiplied by -1. That's why minus x-1 into x minus x2. Now we change the side. This x minus x1, x minus x2, we bring this side. Then it will be plus. This is minus, then it will be plus. Therefore, this minus change into plus, then it will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus. There is no sign, means that it is plus, it is positive. That's why plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0 is the required equation in diameter form of circle. I mean, in this way we can derive the formula of equation of circle when 2 inch of diameter is given. And here same formula how to derive. The question has asked. When the question asks like this, we can derive the formula in the following way. Okay, thank you.